He whakarauora I te wairua, mā tētahi wero pukamata.
Kia ora mauri ora whānau! This is a give back. These packs here out to the homeless today. We're just there to make them feel like they're a bit of aroha out here. So it's a give back. It's a gratitude and appreciation and manifesting machine because you're only talking to the universe. People don't understand. You're not even talking to no one on the other side of the phone. You're just talking to yourself. It's actual reality. You're not even talking to no one. Until people tap in, you're talking to yourself.
I timata a Majestical Taniwha I tēnei wero kia whakaora anō I aia I muri tōna putanga mai I te whare here. Mai I tērā, kua hono atu tōna waru te kau ki te iwa te kau o ngā tāngata ki tēnei kaupapa, me te ohorere hoki ki ērā āhuatanga.
Something I'm very proud of, and it's something for many years I thought I got my mana from doing stuff out in the streets and actually being in a gang. Now when I see people in the streets, I get people coming up to me that don't even know me, and they'll approach me and say, hey, kia ora mauri ora, and it's really uplifting for me, keeps me doing what I'm doing.
I just joined the kaupapa because I believed in him so much and supported him in what he was trying to do. I could see pretty early that he was trying to change the narrative and change the dynamic around mental health.
Kua ka harongo a tā whai te karu I ngā āhuatanga maha o te hauora hinengaro. Nā tēnei wero I kite ia I te tini me te mano e tautoko ana I aia.
I was quite suicidal because of some trauma in my past. And it helped me to heal that. It was really cool to see the complete flip of my day 1 to day 30.
Ko tā tētahi o ngā rangatahi kei ahi te reiria a Arihio Huani, kua māia ake ia kua mahu tōna wairua nā te kaupapa nei. Nō reira, kei te whakakipa ia I etahi atu rangatahi kia hono hoki.
This challenge has helped me understand that it's okay not to be okay. It's okay to cry, it's okay to feel what you were feeling. As from at a young age, I was witnessing myself so many people passing away.
E ai kia Majestical, he nui ona he I ngā tau kua hori ake nei. Engari, kei te whakatika ia mā te awhi I ngā hunga ka hono atu.
It's an inclusive kaupapa that is for absolutely anybody. Any walks of life. Doesn't matter what colour you're wearing, it's for anybody, yeah.
30 days, 100 words. Whatever you face in the week, I hope you deal with it in a manner that gives you a positive result.
Ko te tūmanako ia, ka haere tonu tēnei wero kia puta ki ngā tōpito katoa o te ao, hei paanga mo te oranga o te tangata. Halle Taite-Pitama, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.